Hey everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom, and this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. This tint will help prevent yellowing on the headlight over time, as well as help it protect it from any small road debris hit the headlight. And if you guys like how the tint looks on the headlight, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we want to make sure we clean the headlight. So just apply slip solution all around to wipe any of the contaminations that might be on the headlight. Okay, once you finish wiping off the lens, the next thing is installing the tint. So what you want to do is apply slip solution, that way we're able to align the film. The first step we're going to do is align it on this edge first. So right here, we just want to align it as close to the edge as possible. Once we have it there, we're just going to lift the film just a bit on this end. Spray your Tack Solution underneath the film and on top of the film. Make sure it's aligned, and we squeegee it in place. That way when we stretch the rest of the film, it doesn't move. Alright, now that we have this part tacked down, the next step is stretching the film this way. So while we're stretching, we want to make sure it's aligned to the bottom half of here, as well as on the top corner here. So just stretch, and as we're stretching, we're going to meet the film towards the edge here of the headlight. If you need help with grip, dry the tint, stretch the film, stretch it to where it meets the edge here. Once you have it in the edge, lift the film just a bit and apply Tack Solution, hold it in place, and then start tagging it down. Once you have this piece tacked down, then you just tack down the middle piece here. Make sure to remove all of the water bubbles that are in the back of the film. Now that this piece is set and tacked down, we move on to the bottom piece here. So it's the same steps we did here, we're going to apply here. So right here, we're just going to lift the film, apply slip solution. That way we're able to stretch the film downward and meet it to the edge here. And make sure this piece is dry, that way you're able to stretch down. So stretch it down until you meet the edge here. Once you have it on the edge, make sure it's aligned here as well. And then with Tack Solution, start tagging it down. Okay, and once you have it tacked down here, the rest is just this piece here. So just apply your Tack Solution and then just apply the rest of the film. Okay, once this part is done, the last piece is here. So you are going to see that you have this film lifting here. The reason being because the headlight design here, it curves in and then moves up towards to the top of the fender here. In order to mold the tint to the headlight, we're going to apply Tack Solution, and then with heat, we're just going to bring it down little by little. Okay, and once you finish sealing this part, the last thing is going around and post-heating all of the edges. That way we help the adhesive heal faster and the film doesn't pick up. So we just want to post-heat all around. So use your Tack Solution, heat, and then microfiber towel. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom. Pretty simple installation, just make sure you align it here. You stretch, tack it down, and then stretch, tack down, and then just making sure you help mold the tint on this curve here. And then once you're done, post heat all around. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.